the NHI takes a bold step and a stride towards a society where no individual must bear an untenable financial burden.
Umengameli uTikitla wawenza umthethomlingwa we-insurance yezempilo i-NHI.
A pleasure for us because there are a lot of accidents which is happening always here on the street.
Iyavuthwa indaba yokukhuliswa kwendlela eqede isitshaba i-R573 eyaziwa ngeMloto Road. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zindaba kodwa ku-SABC 1 ngesindebele. Rochani. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi i-insurance entsha yezempilo i-National Health Insurance izokwethula ngengaba ezihlukahlukene. uRamaphosa uTikitla wawenza umthethomlingwa we-NHI e-Union Buildings ePitori. Umthetho lo uzokwenza bona itshejo lezempilo lifunyane umbunu wonke ngokulinganako. Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi laba abafuna ukuba nembonelelo zabo ezikhethekileko zempilo ayikho indaba yabo.
Umthethomlingo neminyaka uhlongozwa ungundaba ikhulunywako bese zekwenziwa nehlaya lokuthi umengameli lahlekelwe iballpen ekufuza atlikitle ngayo ekugcineni uyifumene. Umengameli ugcina utlikitlile wathi ngegadango abalithethe kweli babinga ukunikela umuntu wonke ilungelo lokuthola isizo lezempilo ngokulingana.
The NHI takes a bold step and a stride towards a society where no individual must bear an untenable financial burden while seeking medical attention.
Umengameli uthi leli ligadangesele lithethwe mamazwe amanengi ephasini zombelele.
And let it be clear that universal health care is a global initiative in many ways, where a number of countries are moving towards universal health care, and we as a country have made a global commitment that we are going to have universal health care.
Uthi bacabangisisile ngaphambi kokuthatha isiqondo esi.
So we are not mad, we are not outliers, we are very much in line with what is happening in the global community. The real challenge in implementing the NHI lies not in the lack of funds, but in the misallocation of resources that currently favors the private health sector at the expense of public health needs. That's where the problem is.
Ungqongqotjhe wezempilo uDr. Joe Phaahla uthi imbhedlela zomphakathi zelizweli kade zithwele ebudisi.
Within our context, historically, healthcare costs have unfairly burdened most vulnerable members of our society for a long period. Families have faced agonizing decisions, sometimes having to choose between basic necessities and the necessary medical care. This reality does not align with our vision of the country where we envision citizens should enjoy a life to the fullest.
Umengameli uthi NHI inekhonakala yokungachukulula ikambiso yezempilo elizweneli bewatsho nokuthi uyazibona bakhona abanevalo ngegadangweli. Uthi abahlale bathabalale kungabi nokorompanako ngombana bayakwazi abakwenzako. Amaziko wezempilo angecata sazokuragela phambili nokuba khona kodwa indlela asebenza ngayo izokuchuguluka ekuhambeni kwesikhathi. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka.
Ungqongqotjhe wezemali u-Enoch Godongwana uthi uhulumende unehlelo lokusiza i-insurance yezempilo i-National Health Insurance. Lokhu kunjengombana umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa indaba manje atlikitle ngokusemthethweni umthethomlingwa lo. Nakakhuluma nephiko lendaba le-SABC, Godongwana uthe umthetho lo uyatsho bona imali yokuvelaphi. Uthi ngemva kokubana utlikitliwe uzokuhlangana nomnyango wezempilo ukukhulunyiswane bona uyokuraga kanjani.
Ungqongqotjhe wezemali u-Enoch Godongwana uthi i-insurance yezempilo i-NHI njengamanye amahlelo kahulumende izokufumana isizo lezemali emthelweni obhadelako. I-insurance le ilihlelo lokunikela zonke izakhamuzi isizo lezempilo elithe tjha.
You'll recall in the budget speech, I mentioned the point that one of the things we needed to do is to invest more in the public health system, and we enumerated in a number of areas where we're putting money into and make sure that the public health system is also ready. We've also provided grants in support of the NHI.
uGodongwana uthi imali NHI nakanjani kuzokufuneka bona itholakale ngomthelo.
I'm not entirely sure when the people say we're not in a financial post to fund it. What do people exactly do they mean by that?
I mean,
what is it what is it that we're going to be funding tomorrow? Let me just give you an indication. Most of these people who are making the noise, all of them have got medical aids. Government at the moment subsidizes all of those medical aids with 34 billion rand. So equity requires that sort of funding be extended to those who don't have medical aids. So the key question we have is not universal coverage, by the way, because everybody in South Africa would rock up into a hospital, in public facilities, you don't have to pay if you don't have money. Your problem is access, because people don't have access to every facility in the country.
Ungqongqotjhe wezemali uthi uhulumende sekunesikhathi esabelweni semali alungiselela ukuthonya kwe-NHI sihlatshwe ngabaningi isimemezelo sikaMengameli Ramaphosa sokuthi uyokuhlikihla umthethomlingwa hlangana nabo ekuboneni inhlangano zamabhizinisi, inhlangano ezizijamileko kunye nenhlangano zepolitiki. Abanye babo bathusele ngokumangala nange uthoma ukusebenza ngendlela ungakhona.
Indaba eqeda ukuphela le ngiyo sibuze ngayo ekhasini lethu leFacebook. Asizobona uthini umbono wakho.
Kanti lento ezokwenziwa le ezophasiswa izokwenziwa imali entela msakazi ekubeni inamathuba omsebenzi engekho kunzima kunje eSouth Africa msakazi.
I-tax vele sibhadalela ukuthi ifanele ihelebhe imbedlela namkha emakliniki into ezohelebha thina kusasa mkhathi hayi imali ezokuthathwa ifakelwa abominister bahola imali eziphezulu baloko bayipupura ngapha umphakathi uyahlaka.
Ukusho baba uGodongwana ngenze ngiphikisane nako vele abathathe kuyo i-tax yethu, i-tax yomphakathi, i-tax yabantu abaphilela eNingizimu Afrika vele kudala basiqala iyasilimaza kakhulu kodwa leyo nto le ngoba igcinisa isibangela ienga.
Ngathana i-insurance le yezimpilo le basikombe ukuthi ibereka kanjani ngoba thina abanye asazi ukuthi ibereka kanjani. Bakwazi ukusikhomba ngokuvota ukuthi kubereka kanjani mara le abasitsheli ukuthi ibereka kanjani.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizokuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Iphiko lomnyango wezokuthutha iSANRAL iqedelele imihlangano yokufumana insombululo nomphakathi owakhe kumasipalata eThemselane Local Municipality ngendlela yokutholakala kwenarha yokukhulisa indlela iR573 eyaziwa ngeMloto Road. Iphiko elingokubambisana nomnyango wezokuthuthukiswa kwendawo zemakhaya bathi imiphakathi eli-12 ethindekileko itlikihle isivumelwano esisemthethweni sesichukumiso sokuthathwa kwendawo zayo ekukhulisweni kwendlela yeMloto.
Umsebenzi uyabonakala uyaraga endleleni yeMloto ehlanganisa imifundeni entathu eGauteng, eMpumalanga kunye neLimpopo. Amaphesenti ama-75 umsebenzi owenziwa ncange eMpumalanga weprojekthi le sele uphethiwe. Nanyana kunjalo ukuzipha indawo zabantu ngokungemthetho kusesemraro omkhulu.
Inkinga esale sabhekana nayo masifika indaba yokuthi abantu bakhele within into esibiza ukuthi road reserve ngaphakathi komgwaqo. So yiyo ke into kakhulukazi esibangela inkinga ukuthi fanele sicale silungise sibasuse kahle ngendlela ngomthetho sebenzisana no rural development kuleyo process leyo.
iSANRAL ithoma imihlangano yokuthola isisombululo nababelana abahlukahlukeneko ngenyanga kaMhlolanja umnyaka opheleleko.
So we call it pre-resolution meeting, after which we come after 21 days and then we come for the resolution. So we have signed about 10 resolutions. So we are left with 2 resolutions in this particular project.
Uthobane uthi abanikazi bendawo abayi-109 abathindekileko bambadlwana ekufanele bachidiswe. iSANRAL ibe yakhulumisana namakhosi ngendaba le.
There are a lot of accidents which is happening always here on the street. Therefore, we appreciate their contribution to make our road a little bit bigger.
iSANRAL isise imali engange 3.7 billion yamarandi esigabeni sokuthoma sokulungisa indlela ncange eMpumalanga neLimpopo. Imphathimandla zithi umsebenzi wokulungisa indlela eGauteng uyokuthoma ngemva kokuthi bakhethe usokontraka. Kazi indlela yeMloto ibe nengozi ezihlahlathisa umzimba zembhesi, abantu abaningi babhubhelekile indlela, abanye balimala.
Usihlalo walokhu we-ANC ubaleka Mbethe uthe batho akhange avikele loyo khabanga umengameli uJacob Zuma ngesikhathi asesenguSpeaker weParlamente. Umbethe ubeke ngalindlela ejimeni lokubawela i-ANC amavoti eGauteng. Umbethe owakhe wabalisekela likaMengameli ubawe abantu bona banikele i-ANC elinye ithuba lokuthi iragele phambili ngemsebenzi esele iyenzile eminyakeni ama-30 edlulileko.
Umbethe okhabalisekela likaMengameli walokha uphume ejajalazi wayokusekela i-ANC ejimeni lokuzibawela amavoti eKuruleni. Ngesikhathi sejimeni eli Umbethe ukhulume ngensolo zokubana wavikela umengameli waphambilini uJacob Zuma ngesikhathi asesenguSpeaker weParlamente. Uthe batsho akhange athathe ihlangothi begodu walandela yonke imigomo eyayibekwe phambi kwakhe. Usihlalo waphambilini wehlangano le ubuye godu waveza bona kunengi okuhle ihlangano le eselikwenzile kunokubhalelwa eminyakeni ama-30 edlulileko.
Many individuals have done many wrong things, and that we acknowledge. But to then put all of that on the door of the ANC, the organization, its policies are not what these individuals have done wrong. And we admit that those things are wrong.
Umbethe ubuye wasekela ukuphasisa komthetho omlingwa we-National Health Insurance Bill otlikitlwe ngokusemthethweni namhlanje.
I'm very happy about the NHI finally being signed, because I'm one of those that have been very impatient with how long it has taken. Because we have been discussing the NHI, the basis on which we have come out with having to have a national health insurance bill, so that the question of you being attended to in terms of your health needs is not based on you having money.
Njengombana kusele imveke ezimbili nje kwaphela ngaphambi kokubana kubanjwa amakhetho, inhlangano zepolitiki kunye nabongikhethana abazijameleko balinga ngamandla bona bazibawela amavoti ebantwini.
Ukuhlogeka kwamanzi kusesemraro omkhulu ezakhamuzini zeMalahleni eMpumalanga. Izakhamuzi zithi batsho zidliswa amanzi adungekileko kanti nawo ahlala ngekho. Izakhamuzi beziyingcenye yematshi yeRise Mzansi kumasipalata weMalahleni.
Zikhulele ihloko izakhamuzi zalapha. Zithi batsho kuyananaba ukunikelwa ngezenzelwa kule ndawo. Abalila ngakho khulu isitshijilo samanzi. Bathadungekile. Anjalo nje ahlale angekho.
Lamanzi angcolile kakhulu bawathatha emifuleni babuye bazosipha wona ufumene nale majojo tangi la abathela phakathi kwayo angcolile then siyathina siwakha siyasela.
Abanye bathi bafuna amachuguluko kwanje.
Ucwela amaphothula awukhona ukuthi ungadriver straight no driver ekari ufuna udrive kwangathi umuntu odakiweko uchinga ngapha nangapha and lokho ngagcine kukhosa nezingozi sebese ke sinama sewage spillage ama storage wala sihlala khona akhona ukuflowa all over
rena le bothata ba amatsi ba metsi ha re no metsi no nna ke no metsi ke mosebetsi because I have fight. So ke uthola ka mchini wa purified.
iRise Mzansi beyihlele ukuchagalela umasipalata weMalahleni lo. Kodwa yatshelwa ukuthi imchagalo iqindelisiwe bekudlula ikhetho. Kodwa ifikile kunjalo. Magega neposweni encange emakhiweni kamasipalata. Ihlangano le ithi akhange ekhona ukunikela umasipalata incwadi enehelo lendilo zomphakathi. Ngombana umasipalata ubhalile ukuphasisa imvume yommacho wabo.
Sixelela abantu into kokubana kuzo zonke ezizinto zihlupha abantu iRise Mzansi neplan and namhlanje isizathu sokuba sibe lapha into yokuba sineplan yento yamanzi eSouth Africa ukuba mayenziwe kanjani na, into yendlala, into yemisebenzi, into yoqoqosho njalo njalo. Kodwa ke abafunanga ukuzothatha imemorandum bazophendula ukuba kutheni bengawenza umsebenzi.
iRise Mzansi ithembise ukuthi isazokumatsha nangemva kwamakhetho.
Crime remains a serious socio-economic problem in South Africa, and ministers play a critical role in guiding and proposing policy direction.
Izazi ke zobulelesi zithi ngendlela ebuthuwelela ngakho ubulelesi sekufuneka isigobotshane esiqinileko. Sifumana saphethe indaba zesiNdebele ku-SABC1. Ngaze nazikuphundileko uyazifumana ku-YouTube, ku-Facebook naku-SABC+. Ikhotho kaMagistrata weThekwini badime ibheyili abasolwa abahlanu abasolwa ngokubulala umvumi uKeenan aka Forbes nomngane wakhe uTebello Tips Motswane. uForbes noMotswane badunyuzwa babulawa ngaphandle kwendawo yokudla eDurban ngomhlolanja umnyaka ogadungileko.
Nabe kwethulwa isahlulelo uMagistrata uVincent Hlatshwayo uthi kuzobe kwenziwa ubulungiswa okunganikelwa kwabasolwa ibheyili ngombana kunobufakazi kufanele abasolwa baziphendulele kibo.
It is the finding of this court that it would be reckless and irresponsible to allow the applicant on bail. It is therefore the finding and the order by this court that in the circumstances bail is refused in respect of all five accused.
Abasolwa banecaleni libasise namanye amacala baqalene nawo ngeqadi ngaphandle kukagwabeni ekuthiwa nguye ungqondongqondo endabeni lemi. Abanye abasolwa ababili bazokuvela ekhotho kaMagistrata weManzini eSwatini inyanga ezako. Icala leli lithuliselwe ngomhla ka-8 kuRhoboyi ukwenzela bona kuphenywe okuya phambili.
Buthwelela njengomlilo wesikhotha ubulelesi eSouth Africa. Kanti abacoziluli bezamapholisa nezokuvikeleka baqale indaba yokuthi kufuze kube umuntu onjani ungqongqothe wamapholisa nakunje. Abacoziluli bathi ungqongqothe olandela kwamapholisa kufuze aqalisiswe kuhle.
Abacoziluli bezokuvikela bathi njengoba nesibalo sobulelisi obuhleliweko sithwelela nje nokwanda kwenhlangano zabomazilusela nemiphakathi ezigadela indawo zayo iSouth Africa isebujameni obumaquphe emlandweni welizwe nazi izindabeni zamapholisa.
A new minister must take the goodwill on the part of the community. He must take hands. This was only done in 1994 when there was that extensive consultation, 1995, with communities around the country to develop that national crime prevention strategy.
Iziko lemfundo zokuvikela belisingethe ibandla lokucocisana ngayo le ndaba emasikizi yobulelesi. Umphakathi uthonyekile ngesizo olufumana ebuthweni namapholisa. Omunye umcozululi uthi nanyana ungqongqothe kufuze ahlele ngobutsha ibutho lamapholisa lisebenze ngokwefanelo kodwana umuntu munye angeza khona ukulungisa ubujamo obukhona nje njengoba ubulelesi buthwelela kangaka. Amalungu eParliament asebenza ekomidini yamapholisa ejeje umsebenzi wamapholisa nawo aveza amazizawo bona ilizweli lihloko ungqongqothe wamapholisa onjani.
Crime remains a serious socio-economic problem in South Africa and ministers play a critical role in guiding and proposing policy direction.
Inhlangano eziphikisako zithi kuqakathekile bona ungqongqothe wamapholisa awazi umsebenzi wakhe.
The South African police service must urgently be transformed and another policing model adopted. The main focus should firstly be on crime prevention and secondly on the investigation of crime. The SAPs are dismally failing on both.
To be a Minister of Police in South Africa, you have to have the qualities of integrity, honesty, hardworking, and you must ensure that you do have the respect, not only of the public of South Africa, but also of the members of the South African police services.
Bonke bebakhona kuleli bandla ebelicocisana ngendaba yobulelesi bavumelene ngalizwi linye bona umsebenzi womuntu wonke ukuvela nendlela ezisebenzako zokuthinta ubulelesi. Bathi ungqongqothe wamapholisa kufuze adose phambili ngahlanye abeke ilihlo kezokuphatha ngaphandle kokuthi agijime ehlangana namapholisa alise lizazi kezomsebenzi wamapholisa ithuba lokunikela ngelwazi.
Kezemali iranda liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikolo. Kanti kezemidlalo iMamelodi Sundowns idlala ngayiyabukwa amalanga la. Njenganje siya kuSibu. Sihlahlakazi indaba kulu iNHI eselimthetho. Nani niphethe yona?
Siyathokoza Thandeka silotshisa umbukelo sekhaya. Iyembala ngiyoke indaba edosa phambili ukuthi umengameli namhlanje ugcina awuhlikithile umthethomlingwa weinsurance yezamaphilo. Kodwana indaba zinjalo zinengi-ke inhlangano ezithi zigijimela ekhotho zokuphikisana nawo umthetho lo. Ngolosithathu ke namhlanje bakhona abavela kwa-IEC ngamahlelo wabo amlandelande ukuhamba bafundisa isitshaba ngalokhu ke isitshaba esingakulindela emakhethweni azokubanjwa emvekeni emibili ukusukela nje. Namhlanje kubanjwe umhlangano omkhulu wamalanga amathathu lapha eLimpopo esifundeni sePolokwane okumhlangano wemigomo obanjwe ihlanganyela yamateksi iSantaco. Umhlangano lo uqalwe bona uphele kusasa kuNgolosine. Ngizo-ke indaba esiziphetheko namhlanje ehlelweni sibuya nabazungu. Sithokoza kakhulu kwamambala.
Sithokoza Sibu, njenganje asicale ubujamo bezulu. Nanzi indaba Mbusayi.
Sithokoze Thandeka, sicale ngokunabileko. Asikuloshisa ke mbukele ekhaya ngelesithathu endaba masicalele vele ukuthi kunjani ubujamo bezulu nakamathutsana wezulu elinganiselwa ku-30%. Kuthindeka lapha isikhulukhulu isifunda sangapha ngeGauteng kudlulele nakezinye imfunda njengalapha eFreystata nangaleke ngeNorthwest. Nasithi siyaqala kusasa sibona lapha ke ihonakalo yomlilo wamahlathi kuthindeka kakhulu isifunda sangaleke ngeNorthern Cape bese ubuye kancancazana ngesifundeni sangapha ngeMpumalanga Kapa. Lokhu ke okubonako kuzinkomba zokuthi kungaba nekungu ekseni abantu nabachayelako bacheje bayelele. Siyokuchita ke ukuthi ubone ukuthi ngakuchisa kangangani namkhana kuphole kangangani iGauteng ithoma ipholile ekseni ngokuhamba kwesikhathi iyafuthumala iPitori nge28 Bronkhorstspruit sibona lapha ke i27 sidlulela lapha esifundeni sangaleke ngeLimpopo siyabona ke ukuthi ngathoma kumakhazana ephulukwane ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kufuthumale nge25 ukuthi ke kezinye indawo kufuthumale khudlwana njengeliphalale nge29 ngaleke ngesifundeni sangeMpumalanga pholile ekseni ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kuphole khudlwana lapha kubo Emelo bese ke kezinye indawo ngapho ngakubomhlanga kufuthumele iKwaZulu Natal ibonakala ichisa uLundi nalapha ePietermaritzburg ngezinye indawo sizibona ke zifuthumele iDurban nge26 lapha ke eMpumalanga Kapa siyabona ke ukuthi kupholile ekseni ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kuyachisa kezinye indawo njengalapha eGraafrein ekhulu nalapha eMthatha nge32 njengalanga Kapa sibona lapha ke lithoma ngokuphola eCape Town nangokuhamba kwesikhathi kusapholile nge20 kezinye indawo ke ukuthi ukufuthumala nokuchisa iNorthern Cape bonakala ichisa lapha eUppington nge31 nokho ke ezinye indawo njengeSutherland sifuthumele nge26 yalapha ke esifundeni sangeFreystata siyasibona ke naso ukuthi noma kungathoma kupholile bovelcome ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kuyachisa nge30 kezinye indawo ke kufuthumale iNorthwest kokugcina sayibona ke ukuthi nayo ithoma ipholile ekseni Vryburg bemakhazana ekseni nge7 ngokuhamba kwesikhathi indawo zifuthumale ziye ngokuchisa kungakobe besikuphathele namhlanje asikubone ngesikhathi esilandelako dido
Sasa zikhona ngeSiswati Omosa